Are you thinking about renting a wig but wondering about the whole sanitation and cleansing process of it all? Check this out. First, we use disinfectant solution combined with UV lights to disinfect the whole inside of our wig. Next, we go in with baking soda just to penetrate that lace a little bit more with the cleaning process, followed by a cleansing shampoo on the lace that helps to remove any excess glue that may be left on the lace. Once we clean all glue off the lace, we then are going to go in and we're going to disinfect again all of our lace and our cap. Once we complete the sanitation process, we then go in and shampoo the hair 3 times. 2 of the shampoos are cleansing and the last is a moisture shampoo, followed by conditioning. Then we just detangle all of our hair and we let the hair air dry. So once our wig has completely dried, we then go in and complete the styling process for our next reservation. And this does include us styling the hair and everything ahead of time. Once styling is done, we then go ahead and put our wig inside of a net just to protect it. And we're gonna label this sanitized. And that's pretty much it, all clean and new.